Question 1. Each of the students have their own books. Answer. Have should be has. Question 2. Neither of the boys were late to class. Answer. Where should be was. 3. She doesn't like coffee. Answer. The sentence is correct. 4. The dog wagged its tail happily. Answer. It should be its. 5. I could have went to the party, but I was tired. Answer. Went should be gone. 6. Him and I went to the store yesterday. Answer. Him should be he. 7. She is more taller than her sister. Answer. More is unnecessary. 8. I was laying on the couch when you called. Answer. Laying should be lying. 9. Between you and I, this is a bad idea. Answer. I should be me. 10. You didn't do nothing wrong. Answer. Nothing should be anything. 11. The company are launching a new product. Answer. Are should be it. 12. She sings good in the choir. Answer. Good should be well. 13. The information were very useful. Answer. Where should be was. 14. The reason is because I was busy. Answer. Because it's unnecessary. 15. We was at the park when it started to rain. Answer. Was should be were. 16. The teacher as well as the students are excited. Answer. Are should be is. 17. I need some advice on my project. Answer. Advice should be advice. 18. Everyone should bring his or her own lunch. Answer. The sentence is correct. 19. She's been knowing him for years. Answer. The knowing should be known. 20. I can't hardly believe what happened. Answer. Hardly should be removed.